Speaking part 2. Topic special cake. Well, the most impressive cake I got, which was my 29th birthday cake, especially prepared by my parents. Because of COVID-19 disease, and the most of bakeries were shut down, and after social distancing order from the government, so my parents went the extra mile to buy all ingredients, and they spent a whole morning preparing everything, baking and decorating that special cake. Thanks to my elder sister help, finally my parents finished off that cake after really 10 hours. They decorate that special cake with colorful cream, some candles and cherries on the top of cake, and the highlight of that cake is a line of written word containing my name in the middle of the cake, and finally a small party organized by all family members, and I also invited some of my besties, and everyone was surprised. That's a beautiful cake prepared by my beloved parents. So that was the most sentimental gift I have ever got. Topic sushi. The most impressive dish I got, which was sushi. I have chance to enjoy it last week. Sushi is one enormous Japanese tradition dish, and also regard a healthiest dish, healthiest food in the world. Sushi is a combination of different vegetables and seafood with rice, such as cucumber, salmon, seaweed. You can be easily found sushi in many kinds of places, such as Japanese restaurant or supermarket. There are some reason for me to like this dish. Firstly, I think sushi is very handy and affordable. Firstly, sushi usually come in the box, so I think it's very convenient to take away, and it's adapt to me for a lunch in my office. And next is cost me $2 or $3 for a meal, and that is cheaper than other option. And secondly, it is nutritious with many ingredients can be asked, such as which provide us many vitamins, such as protein, water, fiber, and I think thus sushi fit perfectly my person demands. Next topic is microwave. The most impressive household appliances I bought, which is a microwave oven. About 2 years ago, on the occasion of my mom's birthdays, I used my saving money to decide to buy something to share her burden with cooking. And finally, I decided to buy a microwave. This facility is very advantageous and very convenient. It has broad benefits as well the change in our cooking habits, such as boil, pour, steam fry, heat the leftover food in the dish directly, and it offers us a healthier dish. Nutrients in vegetable or meat can be maintained to the greatest extent. And finally, more importantly, microwave cut down considerable amount of time on cooking. So using my saving money to buy a special gift for my parents make me on top of the world, and my parents was satisfied with this gift.